logistics are probably one of the things that gets maybe de-emphasized on a project, where in construction, in the field, and again, I'm not coming from it, but what I see and hear from all the guys that are working in the field is that logistics are going to make or break the project. Do you have everything that you need with you? Do you have all the right materials in the right place, in the right room on the job site? Are those things getting labeled for you and placed in the right room? So we think about lighting or receptacles. Are all those kitted and boxed and be able to placed in a given room to say, hey, this is for room 204. Here's all the receptacles for this room. Here's all the lights. Here's all the back boxes. Here's all the covers. Here's everything that goes in this room electrically, right? And be able to place that on a pallet somewhere or within the room. Granted, if the timing's right, but within the room, so that guys don't have to go looking around or wandering for it. Our lights like bench tested before ever being put in the field and in the ceiling. Pretty embarrassing if a light doesn't work and it's up in the ceiling. Now you got to climb the ladder again to realize it, take it down because it didn't work. If you do that on a bench test for every light that's going to go into the project, whether it works, whether the dimming ballast and it works. But you dial in those logistics for a given project in the field, man, that's going to make a much bigger difference for their life, their workflow, what they're doing, and how they ultimately succeed for their projects. When they have better logistics, the project's just going to flow smoother.